Hello, my name is Amanda Dernovshek and I'm an attorney here at Foster Swift Collins & Smith. Today I'll be talking about some considerations that you should have when forming a limited liability company and a few of the basic steps you should take when doing so. A limited liability company is commonly known as an LLC, and it provides protection for its owners. Whether you have a small business that's owned by one person or by a group of people, it's important to form a limited liability company to protect those people and protect their assets. Once an LLC is properly formed, it will be considered a separate entity and can enter contracts just as a person can. So when you enter contracts as the LLC becomes responsible for all liabilities. Once you've decided to start an LLC, there are 3 basic things that you should do to make sure that it is formed correctly. First, you'll want to file articles of incorporation with the state of Michigan. This is a simple legal document that notifies the state that you're operating an LLC, and it gives information about who your resident agent is and your principal place of business, as well as the name of your company. Once you've done that, you'll need to draft an operating agreement. An operating agreement serves many purposes for a limited liability company, and we recommend that whether you have one owner or multiple owners, you have an operating agreement in place. One thing that you may consider when drafting your operating agreement is the management of your company. There are 2 kinds of limited liability companies: manager-managed and member-managed. A manager-managed LLC provides a similar scheme to a corporation where the management is very centralized. A member-managed LLC is a bit different because it allows the members to be more involved in the day-to-day operations of the company. Depending on what your owners would like to do with the company and how involved they'd like to be, this may help you to make that decision. Some other things that you would think about that would affect the drafting of your operating agreement is how the money will come out of the company and how profits will be shared, what would happen upon dissolution, and whether your members have the ability to transfer or to sell their interest. These are all things that myself or another attorney here at Foster Swift could talk through with you and help you to make the right decision. Once you've filed your articles of incorporation and you've drafted your operating agreement, the next thing you'll want to do is to get your employer identification number from the IRS. This is a simple form that you would file, and once you have that number, you can file all of your taxes under it for the LLC. If you have any questions about the considerations I've talked about today or the steps that you should take when forming an LLC, please contact myself or another business and tax attorney here at Foster Swift, and we would be happy to help you start your new business. If you'd like to learn more about forming a business or other business issues that you may be having, feel free to go to fosterswift.com and watch some of our other videos.